Yesterday at the Gateway Resort Damdama Lake, our models looked regal and powerful as they posed as warrior princesses using our props. आज उन्हें पता चलेगा अपने फोटोशूट का रिजल्ट। पर जजेस का डिसीजन का सामना करने से पहले हम दे रहे हैं उन्हें अपने लिए कुछ टाइम टू रिलैक्स एंड अनवाइंड।
If I had all the money in the world, I would first of all buy 50 pairs of Jimmy Choo, 50 pairs of Louboutins, and a full-on wardrobe. I think that money would not even be enough for that. If I had all the money in the world, I will travel the world, and I am sure most of it I'm going to spend it on food. I would buy 5 islands, which would be my private, and then I would party all day, all night. I would have definitely spent it on decorating my wardrobe and traveling the world.
Just keep buying things. I would buy clothes, buy cars, buy property.
I think I would save the money, not just wasting the money in shopping, buying things or stupid car or something, and I would make some good FDs in my account.
There are certain things which I can't buy for myself. I would just buy all of that and just stock it and keep and just wear it whenever I like, whatever I like.
I want to buy myself a small house in Venice and New Zealand. Start a cheese factory.
So what do you think, guys? How was the shoot with Amit?
I think Reena looked really nice. You were doing some martial art moves there, like Bollywood queen.
I am sure your picture is gonna come really nice.
Yeah. What happened to you? I mean, I saw you were running around.
I was trying to jump around and I almost had the spear on them once.
Anyways, I happened to see all the girls. They looked amazing in Indian wear because we are Indian women. We have beautiful bodies, curvy bodies. Pinky, why did you want to go first? Did you have some strategy in your head?
Yes.
Good. I know why you went first.
Tell me then why. Do tell me why.
She didn't want to wait around for the rest of the girls and she wanted to give all her best shots so that it doesn't look repetitive.
So that her energy is not low.
Yeah. You want to go first and just finish,
Starting.
Yeah, you know that the moment you're telling me this thing, you seems really angry. Are you like regretting that you did not go first?
No, I am not regretting it at all. No matter when I go.
Calm down, yes. एकदम से.
Pinky, wow. Oh my God.
What's happening?
वो तो फिर हम पिक्चर्स में देख ही लेंगे. जजेस अभी पिक्चर अपनी दिखाई देंगे सारी and the judgment will be in our hands. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, be friends.
We don't need to think so much. Let judges think now.
I just want to eat.
Thank you, Radhika.
Welcome back to yet another super exciting episode of Kingfisher Supermodels 3. कल हमारी मॉडल्स वॉरियर प्रिंसेसेस की तरह लड़ी कंपटीशन में रहने के लिए. जो भी मॉडल इस हफ्ते जजेस को सबसे ज्यादा इंप्रेस कर पाएगी वो होगी इस वीक की विनर. और यही नहीं, that one lucky model will also be featured in Jade's next campaign. Now this is a huge opportunity for the girls. So who will be that girl and which one of these girls will be on the next flight home? Well, to help me with this really tough decision, I have with me our resident judge, Mohan Neelkantan. Hey, Mohan.
Hi, Neha. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
You look absolutely gorgeous up
Thank
there.
you.
But can you please hurry up and come this side so we can start the show?
Right on.
이렇게 속올려 하야 있다고 보여줄 수 있는 B-boy swag You think you got it but well I got it like that 귀엽다고 말을 하도 넌 내 스타일 아니라고 why 하지 않아 몇 번이던 말 해야 되는데 Turn it up, listen up Okay
Hello, girls. You look absolutely stunning tonight in these beautiful clothes.
And I think their walk has improved like how.
I know. So, Mohan, excited to see what the girls have done. Which one is going to be our real warrior princess?
Very. Can't wait.
Okay. Let's have our first supermodel, Pinky. Are you excited to see your photographs?
Yeah.
Yeah? But before that, let's talk about what happened at the shoot. When we give you anything to work around with, या फिर आपको कोई property दी जाती है या कुछ, you know, you get thrown a little bit. And do you ever come with a strategy कि you think कि नहीं, जो होगा, I'll just go with the flow?
I was not prepared at all. So I just went there and then the things were there. I was like, okay, which one to choose? And then I just picked it one.
Unfortunately, at the start of the shoot, it showed you were not prepared. Later on, when she kind of took instructions, she did really well.
I think she is kind of owning this picture. There's something very, very regal about it, don't you think?
I totally agree. How fantastic do you look, Pinky? And this is what we're trying to tell you. How do you actually get around to doing something like this? Because without any preparation, you end up taking instructions really well and you have this beautiful shot. Like you look like a warrior princess. I'm getting scared and intimidated.
I like the way you've tilted your chin up. I own this. I am the warrior princess.
Just keep improving at this pace.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pinky. Our next girl.
I want more attitude from her. When am I going to see that? When am I going to see that?
Somewhere I feel like you have this attitude, oh, I'm in this contest, it's okay. If I win, I'm fine. If I don't win, I'm fine. I'm good looking, I'm hot, and I'll just be a model in any case. What goes on in your head, I want to know.
No, that's not the truth.
The point is, you're in a contest. You don't want people getting ahead of you just because you haven't worked hard enough. Having said all that, let's talk about the photographs. Mohan, what do you think?
I love this picture. There's a certain power there, there's a certain aggression, there is a certain, strength, but I still feel you could give it little more.
Yeah.
There's a bit of acting involved in modeling too. So when you're given a task and you're told you're a warrior princess, start feeling it.
I absolutely agree with what you're saying, Mohan. I love this shot. I also love the one with the head tilted back. But you know what? You could own much more than the kingdom.
Yeah.
And that's all that we're saying. Our next girl, Shravanti. Shravanti, I just felt you were doing way too much. You have a beautiful body, you have these piercing eyes, and this could have been something entirely different. You're coming out of a place where you were the best last week. And right now I'm struggling to find some of the best shots that I could have got from you.
Look at you now, how you're standing in front of me. I can't believe they're the same person, Neha.
I know, and
they look like
it's just sad, Shravanti. I'm worried because these pictures could be sending you home tonight. आपने कुछ ज़्यादा प्लानिंग कर ली, क्या हुआ?
इतना ज़्यादा तो सोचा नहीं था मैंने दिमाग में, बट कपड़े देखने के बाद मुझे समझ में आया कि दिस इज़ समथिंग रिलेटेड टू अ वॉर एंड समथिंग रिलेटेड टू एन इंडियन प्रिंसेस एंड द बैकग्राउंड. प्रॉप के साथ आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट यूजिंग द बैकग्राउंड एंड एवरीथिंग, बट समवेयर आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग एंड इन बिटवीन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस I kind of felt I lost and I didn't do most of what I had planned.
It's a bit worrying to see her photographs right now.
Yeah, very unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
Thank you. I wish you all the best. And can we have the next model, please? How did you feel this time before going into the shoot?
I was thinking what a warrior princess would do, if she would be very graceful and regal or she would be fierce. So I was concentrating more on being graceful and regal, but later on when I got the brief from the photographer, I got really confused. because he asked me to be more fierce and strong.
What made you do this pose?
I think I really posed on the wrong angle. I didn't like that pose.
You didn't?
You didn't like this pose?
You didn't like this pose?
Wait a minute. That is one of the best shots we have from this entire lot.
I love that picture.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? What are you saying?
Why are you always underselling yourself?
No, because I was just looking at the other girls and they were very graceful. So I thought...
We didn't want
What did I
grace. We
Yeah.
wanted warrior
Abhi-
princess. They're great pictures, Reena. They're really great pictures. Please have more confidence in yourself. You know the brief was warrior princess, right? Where's the power?
I actually thought that I can do a combination of strongness and delicateness.
Was delicate a brief? Was delicate?
Not at all. I don't know any warrior princess who'd be delicate. Do you realize that these pictures could be sending you home tonight?
I really don't want to think about it, but I'm really disappointed, yeah.
The pose.
Kind of slouch.
1 second, something's happened, guys. We need a doctor, please.